Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by opening the application. Now scroll down and click on device settings. After that go to system, and right here we have gestures. So click the settings icon, and now let's work with the left earbud. By default we have ambient sound, it means to enable and disable noise cancelling, but you can click here and change it for playback control, to play and pause the song and play previous and next track, and to volume control, to increase and lower the volume. I prefer this one, so I click here. After that let's go to the right one, and by default we have playback control, so I leave it here. I don't want to swap between ANC mode and transparency mode. And also I have volume control on the left earbud. So just after you finish, click done, and as you can see it changing. By mistake I choose ambient sound, but I wanna playback control, and done. And as you can see, I changing again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!